Hello students, welcome back to the accountancy class. So till now we have studied interest on capital and also interest on drawings. Hope you have done the homework of interest on drawings. It was so easy. Question number 7 I gave you to do. In question number 7, first question is the beginning of each quarter. So you must have calculated interest for 7.5 months, and in case 2, end of each quarter. So it will be 4.5 months. Case 3rd is middle of each quarter, then it will be 6 months. Case 4 is beginning of every month, so 6.5 months. And case 5, end of every month, then it will be 5.5 months. So I am solving case 2 for you. Question number 7, case 2. After that we will read interest on loan. First of all, look question number 7, case 2. If you have done, let us check it. Average months I have given you 4.5 months will be there because it is end of each quarter, and total drawings will be 7,500 multiply 4, and this is annual drawings, multiply average months upon 12, multiply rate upon 100. So we will solve it. 7,500 multiply by 4 multiply 4.5 divided by 12 into 10%. So its answer is 1125. ओके, ऐसे किया होगा आप लोगों ने, और ये सारे इसी तरीके से होंगे. Question number 8 we have done. Now our next topic is interest on loan. Interest on loan is a charge on the profit of the firm. We have studied charge and appropriations are different things. Charges are to be provided even if there is loss or even if profit is less than the amount, but appropriations are not provided in case of loss, and appropriations cannot be more than profit except otherwise stated in question. So question number 9 and 10 I have given you for the calculation of interest on loan. Calculation of interest on loan is nothing different. It's also simple interest, principal into rate into time. Question number 9 is simple. There are two partners, they are giving loan on 1st October 15, and we have to calculate interest on loan. Rate of interest is not given, which I told you in the first class that interest on loan is provided at 6% per annum. Question number 10 we will do now. Question number 9 you have to do yourself. Question number 10 reads as: bat and ball are partners sharing the profits in the ratio of 2:3 with capitals of rupees 1,20,000 and 60,000 respectively. On 1st October 2015, bat and ball granted loans of rupees 2,40,000 and rupees 1,20,000 respectively to the firm. The losses for the year ended 31st March 2016 before any interest amounted to rupees 9,000. Show distribution of profit or loss. So here in this question there is loss, already there is loss 9,000, but instead of loss interest on loan will be provided because interest on loan is a charge on profit. And another thing I also have told you that interest on loan is a charge, so it will be shown in the P&L account. Charges are shown in P&L account and appropriations are shown in P&L appropriation account. So first of all we will calculate interest on loan. both of the partners have provided loan on 1st October 2015 and BAT provided 2,40,000. Nice names, BAT and Ball. So BAT's loan is 2,40,000 and they provided loan on 1st October 2015. So 6 months will be there, and the rate of interest is not given in question, so we will take it as 6% per annum according to the Partnership Act. Rules applicable in the absence of partnership deed be studied. So 6% per annum interest will be allowed. It will be 7,200. Ball provided loan of rupees 1,20,000. Same months, same rate, because date is same. It will be 3,600. Now we also have to show the distribution of profit and loss. So I told you that in the case of interest on loan, we have to prepare P&L account, not appropriation. Loss will be written on debit side. If there would be profit, we would have written it here, but we have loss here. So to loss, what's the amount? 9,000. Now we will provide interest on loan to partners. Expenses are debited. You know, expenses are debited to P&L account. To interest on loan, BAT 7,200 and Ball 3,600, total 10,800. So because this is interest on loan, then we have to provide even in the case of loss also. Now the total loss of the firm is 19,800. This loss will be distributed among the partners. In their profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio is given in question 2:3. Balance is 19,800. This 19,800 will be distributed between BAT and Ball in the ratio 2:3, which is their profit sharing ratio. When profit sharing ratio is 2:3, then losses will also be distributed in the ratio of 2:3. So 19,800 into 2/5. 19,800 into 2/5, it will be 7,920, and 19,800 into 3/5, it will be 11,880. So we write it here. So in this way, this question is to be done. Rate of interest is 6% per annum, and 1st October को लोन दिया है, इसलिए 6 मंथ्स का इंटरेस्ट लगेगा. एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन में नहीं आएगा, P&L अकाउंट में आएगा, और क्योंकि लॉस है इसलिए लॉस पहले डेबिट में आएगा. यू नोट इट इन योर नोटबुक. Now we carry on the further point, which is partners capital account. Partners capital account means the personal account of partners. As we studied the personal accounts in 11th class, Ram account, Mohan account, Sohan account. In this manner, in partnership, partners capital account is made. प्रोप्राइटरशिप में एक ही कैपिटल अकाउंट होता था, इसमें जितने पार्टनर होंगे उतने कैपिटल अकाउंट बनेंगे, बट हम उसको एक ही अकाउंट में प्रिपेयर कर लेंगे, जैसे कि हम कैश बुक में करते थे डबल कॉलम कैश बुक, वैसे ही पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में लेजर का फॉर्मेट बनेगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नेम ऑफ पार्टनर्स आर ए एंड बी, सो ये फॉर्मेट देखा हुआ है आपका, दिस इज फॉर्मेट ऑफ लेजर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट इन विच वी आर एज्यूमिंग देयर आर टू पार्टनर्स, सो वी हैव मेड टू कॉलम इन द अमाउंट, दिस इज डेबिट and this is credit. You may note down partners capital account. Partners capital account are the personal account of partners. It is prepared according to the rule that partners capital are credited when these are increased and डेबिटेड व्हेन दीज आर डिक्रीज्ड। जैसा कि हमने 11th क्लास में भी पढ़ा था कि कैपिटल अकाउंट व्हेन इंक्रीज्ड इट इज क्रेडिटेड एंड व्हेन डिक्रीज्ड इट इज डेबिटेड। सो सेम हमें यहाँ पर भी अप्लाई करना है एंड देयर आर टू मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट। नंबर 1 इज फ्लक्चुएटिंग मेथड एंड नंबर 2 इज फिक्स्ड कैपिटल मेथड। Note down, under fluctuating capital method only one account is prepared, that is partners capital account, but under fixed capital method two accounts are prepared. One is partners capital account which will remain fixed and second is current partners current account in which other transactions will be recorded. First of all, we are studying fluctuating method. So how will we prepare partners capital account? You should have remembered that in capital account opening balance are shown in credit side. So opening balance will be by ओपनिंग बैलेंस आ जाएगा यहाँ पर। देन अपना रूल है कि अब हम पार्टनर्स को जो भी अलाउ करेंगे, हमने पे एंड एप्रोप्रिएशन के अंदर पार्टनर्स को जो कुछ भी दिया था, interest on capital, salary, remuneration, commission, these all things will be credited to partners capital account, because when we provide something to partners then their capital will increase. So when capital is increased, capital account is credited, you must have remembered. So if we are providing interest on capital, then costing will be by interest on capital. When we are providing salary, then by salary. If we are providing commission or remuneration, then it will also be credited. When profit is distributed to partners, you should have known that in P&L appropriation account we distribute profits to partners. That profit will also be credited to partners by name by P&L appropriation. So understood, whatever we are providing to partners will be credited to partners capital account. Now two things will be recorded on debit side. Number one is drawings and second is interest on drawings, because these things reduce partners capital. All of you know drawings are subtracted from capital, so drawing will be debited to capital account to drawings. This is closing entry that we do in whole year. We do drawings to cash, and at the end of year we transfer drawings to capital account. You should have remembered. Next is interest on drawings. It will also be debited to partners capital account. Now two more things will be there. These are the small amount drawings which partners made between the years. There is another thing, capital withdrawn, that will be written by name to bank. When partners withdraw larger amount out of their capital, means they are reducing their capital from the business, then entry will be partners capital to bank account, means they are taking their cash out of the business. This is known as capital withdrawn. And if partner is introducing more money into the business, sometimes partners also introduce additional capital. We studied in the examples of interest on capital. Some partner is withdrawing cash, some partner is introducing. If he is introducing, then his capital will be increased, so it will be credited to partners capital account by bank. This is known as additional capital. Additional capital. And if there is loss, sometimes there is loss now. We distributed in the previous question by partners capital in P&L account. So when loss is given to partner, then capital will reduce or increase? Capital will reduce. So it will also come on debit side to P&L account if there is loss, and this was the profit. In business there may be loss also and there may be profit also. Now at last we will balance the account. Always accounts are balanced. Capital account balance will be on debit side, and it is known as credit balance. All of you know, because credit side is more. In some rare cases debit side may be more, then balance will be on this side. That is rare case. So it will come in balancing figure. You may prepare this format in your notebooks. Prepare format in your notebook. So you may be thinking that where is interest on loan? Interest on loan is neither recorded in partners capital account. Interest on loan is different thing. Interest on loan is not related to capital. Either it is paid off in cash to them, other entry will be passed, and if it is not paid off in cash, it will be outstanding, or it will be added to their loan account. Loan accounts are prepared separately from capital. In capital account, interest on loan is not recorded. Remember it. So this was our fluctuating method. Now write down fixed capital method and write down explanation. Under fixed capital method, two types of accounts are prepared. Number one, partners current account, and second, partners capital account. Yeah, its name is also partners capital account, but it will be different from it. Only some items are recorded in partners capital account under fixed capital method. So now I am converting it into partners current account. This was partners capital account. You should have noted it separately under fluctuating method. Now we are starting fixed capital method, and under fixed capital method I am going to prepare partners current account. Look at the board first. Under this method, you may be given the opening balances of partners current account. If these balances are credit balances, then it will be written down as by balance BD. And if these are debit balances, yes, there may be debit balance also, opening debit balance of current account, then it will be written as to balance BD. Both sides it may be recorded. And in this method, additional capital and capital withdrawn are not shown in this account. Additional capital and capital withdrawn will be shown separately in partners capital account under fixed method. And if balance is on debit side, then we will write down to balance CD. If balance is on credit side, then we will write down by balance CD. This is also in balancing figure. So it's similar to the first method, but in this method the capital account balances, capital withdrawn and additional capital will be separately written in partners capital account, and partners current account is used for another things: interest on capital, salary, remuneration, commission, P&L appropriation, profit, drawings, small amount drawings during the year, and interest on drawings. And if loss is distributed, it will also debited in this account. Now the second account is partners capital account. I am going to rub it. Partners capital account, fixed method, fixed capital method. In this account, we will write down opening balance by balance BD and additional capital by bank, and if capital is withdrawn, then to bank. And this is capital withdrawn, and closing balance will be to balance CD. This will be closing capital under, it will be calculated by balancing figure. So it's enough for today. Prepare both formats. There are three formats. First is fluctuating capital method account, and second is फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड करंट अकाउंट, एंड थर्ड फॉर्मेट इज फिक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. फिक्स मेथड में कैपिटल अकाउंट. दिस you have to note down. I hope you understand. And today's homework is question number 9, which is related to interest on loan. You have to calculate interest on loan, which is so easy. 6 months interest will be charged, and the rate of interest will be 6% per annum, because it is written in this question that partnership deed is silence on the question of interest on loan. So goodbye, have a good day, and do homework